A historic journey. Britain's rail revolution turns 200. The power of progress. Imagine a world-changing event that set the stage for the modern era. A journey that 200 years ago sparked a revolution in how we live, work, and connect. That's the story we're about to uncover. On September 27, 1825, a humble yet groundbreaking moment occurred in the northeast of England. George Stephenson's Locomotion No. 1, the first steam-powered engine on a public railway, embarked on a 26-mile voyage from Shildon to Stockton via Darlington. Little did they know, this trip would be the catalyst for a global transportation revolution. The Stockton Darlington Railway, a game-changer. While not the first railway, the Stockton Darlington introduced standard-gauge, steam-hauled features that became the blueprint for railways worldwide. It was a small step that led to giant leaps in progress. Celebrating milestones, railway enthusiasts across the UK have been commemorating this anniversary throughout the year. But the heart of the celebration beats where it all began. On Saturday, thousands will gather along the route as a restored replica of Locomotion No. 1 retraces the original journey, marking the Bicentenary on sections of the historic Stockton and Darlington railway line. The journey, which commenced on Friday, continues through the weekend, attracting notable passengers like Prince Edward, the youngest brother of King Charles III. Among the spectators is Doug Haynes, an 81-year-old retired aircraft engineer, who traveled over 100 miles to witness this historic reenactment. A joyous reunion. The atmosphere echoes the excitement of 200 years ago, when people from all over the country lined the tracks, with even a holiday declared in Darlington. The ripple effects of this journey were unimaginable then, but they transformed lives, communities, and a future. The impact of rail. Rail transportation revolutionized the movement of raw materials like coal and iron ore and industrial goods, accelerating urbanization and transforming social lives. It freed up time for leisure, opened the country to tourism, and empowered the middle class. In essence, rail played a pivotal role in Britain's rise as the global industrial and economic powerhouse of the 19th century, fueling the expansion of the British Empire. Louise Jones, 39, who watched the replica train embark on its journey, expressed, "It was amazing to see it moving. My dad used to work on the railways, and this was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to envision the past."